Hello friends, welcome back to my channel KIRAFT Ideas. Today DIY is for friends as Friendship Day is near, and this is again one of the best time to appreciate and show your love to your friends who are always by your side. So let's make some simple friendship bracelets for them. Let's start. Choose any color of your choice or your friend's favorite color. Here I am using two colors, one is blue and other one is white. I have taken 70 centimeters of both the threads and I have taken 4 strings. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll divide, we'll take one color and we'll have a notch on the top. Like this, a loop. Now we'll tape on the top to stick it. This is gonna be the simplest one. We have secured top with the tape and now we have divided all 4 strings. Now first we will take a white string and we will bring it from the blue one, then the other white, and we will make a cross of it. Now we will take the blue one and we will bring it over from the white and the other one. Just make sure these are sufficiently tight so that you will get the proper cross in it. We will do the same till the end. We have come to the end now. Tie a knot on it. I had make a thick knot at the end. It will help to lock this. Look how beautiful it comes. It's so simple and beautiful. For this bracelet I am using some beads, silver beads and a purple color thread. So let's start. Now I have taken two sizes thread, one 30 centimeter, the other one around 70 centimeter, and we will secure the top with the tape. Now we will insert a bead into this thread, the middle thread. So let's do that. I have inserted 9 beads in it. Now what we do, we'll take a thread, we'll tie a knot to secure this thread. Now what we'll do, take this one, this we are going to from the bottom and we are going to make a notch. In a similar way we are going to do with the other side, and we will have at least 5 knots on it. We have made 7 knots here. Now we will push one bead and again we will do the same pattern. In this way our bead is secured. Now we will make a 7 knots again. The size we have given on the top, we will give a difference in each bead by just simple giving a knot. I have completed all the beads. Now what I'll do, I'll make a knot at the end, and in this way we made a beautiful bracelet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. See you soon in the next video.